Hey, what's up everybody? Got a 2016 Prius. Problem is when you go to push your button, your gas button, you could hear the fuel door kind of pop or click, but it's not opening. So what you want to do first is get something plastic like this and lodge it in here, kind of put pressure on the door, and then go push the button so it'll open up. Once you get it open, basically I'm going to show you what's going on here. So first, make sure when you push this, you hear it clicking over there. That means you have power and it's trying to open. Now what the problem is this guy right here. Basically, this little spring right here, it's not really like a spring, but this little black tab, it's supposed to be pushed back more to apply pressure on the door, so then it pops open when the button's pushed. So basically, when you push the button, this little black knob, it sucks in like that when you push the button, and then this spring is supposed to have so much pressure that it pushes the door open. So bend that back and then see if that helps you. Alright, thanks.